Alright guys, I got 2 straps on right now. About to put the 3rd one in. It's okay right now. Main thing you want to worry about is just having it as lined as possible, even. So I'm gonna go over to the 3rd one and install that now. These are pretty simple to install. I'll show you here on this front one. All you gotta do is come in, thread it through the top here. Straight it through there. Find you a secure point, and this vehicle is going to be located right here. Thread it through. Like so. I'm trying to do this with my hand too, guys, by the way. Alright, once you get that threaded through, come back up here to secure it. Thread it through there. And then pull it tight. Not too tight, but just tight right now, so that you got it secured, but not too tight, so that if you need to position it a little bit differently, you can. So I just kind of leave it loose like that. I'm actually gonna tighten this one up all the way because this side's already done. But that's pretty much it. That's how you really secure with the tie downs. Now this comes separately. They don't come with the kennel. They're about $89, I think, for the set of 4. So you can do the last one there, we'll be done. So I've already got this one threaded through. So come in here, just tighten it down. Just a little bit of an angle. Tighten it down. And that's it. In the back of the pickup, it's kind of cold out, into having his own way. We'll see if you like it. Come on, buddy. I think he's going somewhere. Here, inside. Oh, wait. Sit. Oh. And that is it, guys. This is again the Gunner Kennel crate. And the install is done. Look, I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty sick in there.